This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 43 of Building Your Own Ford GT from DeAgostini. I should know the word, I've said it a few times. Yeah. Right, let's have a look. We're looking at the Ford Capri, European Mustang. Yeah, the Capri, a mainstay of British cars, but yeah. It's quite nice. Yeah, the styling is quite good. It's sort of timeless and it works. So yeah, I don't mind a Capri. Turbo, maybe go a little bit faster. Second generation Ford Mustang, looks like a second generation Ford Mustang, but it sort of is. Brilliant Mustang sold on the Mercury brand using the Capri name. It's a hodgepodge of all of the things. 1.9 million units sold. That's quite impressive. Right, the parts for this issue are the radiator pipes. We finished off the base shell last time, and we're going to be fitting the pipes to that. And then these bits, what are they? They are the brake fluid brackets and pipes. And 43 is the radiator lines. Are we fitting them as well? Seems so, yes. At some point we shall install those as well. Get those bits in and then fit the lines. Right, let's get to it. So the parts supplied today, we've got these the fluid intake valve things, the pipes, the tubes, there's some screws, and that is all. First of all, we need to pull in from before, retrieve the chassis assembly from the previous installment. This is the chassis assembly. So we're putting things to the underside of that, obviously, and they are going on. I can't tell what side that is. It's this side, isn't it? So they're going on that way round. So they will be going there. Well, maybe it isn't the other way up. It is that way up. It's got the cut out for it and everything. So I thought maybe this is the inside and that is the outside. I don't know. I can never really tell with these, but I'll just do as I'm told. So we're putting that in there into the recessed area as shown. And then we're using the FD04 screws. We're using most of those, I would assume. 3 of those out of the 4 that are in the pack. 1 for this. Need a screwdriver for that as well. Let's use that one. Fairly small tip. That would be lovely. So 1 screw will go down into the top of that and hold that in place. Just like that. And then we need to fit these. Now these will only go one way round, obviously. There's a pin that goes into a hole and the screw which goes into the other bit. So is it that way around? It's turn this round so I can sort of see it in relation to that. So no, it's that way out. So this is this side. The pin's got to go through there, and that's got to go through there. Line up with that. Yes. It goes on there just like so. The other side, obviously exactly the same. Exactly the same, but mirrored. That goes on there like so. Again, post through there. The right way up is much easier to do than trying to do it funny angle. Like that. There we go. And then we have 2 more of these screws, one on each side, all the way through there into there to hold that in place. Then it says about the tubes. Is that a tube or is that a tube? And that's a pipe. What's the difference between a tube and a pipe? I would assume a pipe is bigger than a tube. It's got to be, isn't it? So it says to put in the combined end which obviously is that end, into that hole and push it home. That just pops into place like so. And then the other ends of these don't go anywhere as yet. They will be at some point, but for now, they are not. That is that. Already done. So fluid bracket pipes, radiator pipes. Let's get rid of the radiator pipes. These are fluid bracket pipe. I don't know. I think the other end's probably going to connect to something or look like it connects to something. But that is now installed onto there. Happy with how that works. It's a nice, easy build. The whole of this build has been very straightforward and easy, at least so far. So hopefully it will continue that way. So that is that for this part. I shall see you for the next part very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for DeAgostini for sending it to me. And we'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.